Hey everybody, I have one of these MyQ Chamberlain Wi-Fi connected garage door openers for my phone. So no matter where you're at, you can open or close your garage. And I got a notification on the app that my battery was low. Now I will say I got that notification like 2 months ago. So it seems to work for quite a while after they send the notification. So if you get that, don't go running out urgently to try and replace it. It'll last for quite a while. In my case, it's been about 2 months. So I'm gonna quick show you guys how to do it, just in case there's any questions out there on how to do this. The first thing I'll tell you is the battery that you need, just to make it easy. 2450, you can pick it up pretty much anywhere. I think I got this at even the grocery store, obviously Amazon. But yeah, so that's the battery you need. And then just real quickly, in order to take the cover off, it's super easy. There's a little tab on the bottom, and you just push up on that and then lift the face out. It's kind of hard with one hand, but you lift up and then you just pull the face off. So just push that button with one hand and then pull this out with the other hand and then take it off. Next step, I'm gonna go grab a Q-tip and then we'll just pop that old battery out and put a new one in. All right, so I got my Q-tip. Don't want to use any metal parts in here because you don't want to scratch anything or short out anything. And so what you want to do is you want to find a spot here where it's open. So I found a spot right on that side. Push this out and it will just push right out. And then you can, sorry for the camera work here, I'm trying to do it all at once. And you can just pull this out. Just slides right out. All right, note the orientation. The label is up, so I'll put the new one in that way. All right, so I was able to wrestle this battery out of the packaging. That was probably the hardest part of this whole job. And we're just gonna put it in here and just set it in and give it a nice slide in until it can't go any farther. And that's really it. I'm gonna grab the cover and we'll put that on and we'll give it a test here. All right, I found the cover, so we're just gonna start at the top and get it lined up so that it's lined up along the side there. See that? And then just get it and push it straight against the door. So just push it like that, and we're done. I'm gonna give it a test just to make sure it worked, and the battery's all full now. But I will say in general, I do a lot of product reviews too, and this is a fantastic little device. I think I got it for like 20 bucks, maybe a little less. And it's really nice when you're maybe not home, and if you have a smart doorbell or something like that. If there's a package, you can talk to the driver and have them drop it in the garage and just open up the door while they're there, so they can just drop it in and then you can close it. And just in general, to know that your garage is closed before bed every night, I just open up the app and double check and while I'm watching TV, which maybe is lazy, but I think it's pretty slick. So if you're thinking about it, I would just do it. It's super easy to set up, and I've really thought it's pretty nice. The battery does not last that long though, so just FYI. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.